How to use Kraken Pro on mobile devices. First of all, download and install the Kraken Pro app from your official Play Store and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main trading dashboard. This is where you can monitor market prices, view charts, and manage your portfolio. To place a trade, tap on the Trade tab at the bottom. Here you can choose your trading pair, enter the amount, and select the order type such as market, limit, or stop orders. To check your open orders, current positions, and trade history, tap on the Trading tab. It's divided into three sections: orders, positions, and trades. To monitor the market in more detail, use the Markets tab. It lets you search for specific assets, check market depth, and explore real-time price changes. You can also set price alerts by tapping the bell icon so you are notified when the market reaches a specific price. To manage your account, tap the profile icon at the top right. From here you can access settings, enable two-factor authentication, reach out to support, and handle your funds including deposits and withdrawals. And finally, to view detailed charts and perform technical analysis, simply tap any asset and switch to the Chart tab. You can customize indicators, change time frames, and zoom in for better clarity. Now you know how to use Kraken Pro on mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.